This is gold for fall plants. As the gardening season slowly moves toward autumn, it's the perfect time to give your vegetables and flowers a natural boost that will help them face colder days. In this guide, I'll show you how to prepare a homemade fertilizer that works wonders in September and October. It's suitable for almost every type of plant: onions, garlic, peppers, decorative flowers, and many others. The best part is that the recipe is simple, budget-friendly, and requires only ingredients you probably already keep in your kitchen. In just a few minutes, you can make a natural solution that supports healthy growth and helps plants build strength before winter arrives. The first step is to prepare 1 tablespoon of lentils. Before using them, grind the lentils into a fine powder. Why lentils? Because they are packed with proteins, B vitamins, and important minerals like magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. When crushed, they release their nutrients more quickly, especially during fermentation. This extra nutrition benefits both the soil and the root system, making plants more resistant to stress, such as shorter days and dropping temperatures. Lentils also contribute organic matter that keeps the soil fertile and able to retain moisture. Once ground, place them into half a liter of lukewarm water and set aside. And friends, while you're watching, let me know in the comments where you're tuning in from. It always makes me happy to see gardeners from all over the world. The second ingredient is dry yeast, just 1 tablespoon. Yeast acts as a natural growth stimulator because of its high content of B vitamins. It also awakens soil microorganisms, which is especially valuable in the fall, when microbial activity slows down. Thanks to yeast, the fermentation of our mixture will be quicker, and plants like vegetables and flowers will remain stronger and more resistant to colder conditions. Now we sweeten the process. Literally, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. This may sound unusual, but sugar is food for beneficial microorganisms in the soil. It fuels their activity, which in turn makes nutrients more accessible to the plants. This is very important in September and October as plants prepare for dormancy. Sugar in this mixture also serves as food for the yeast, stimulating fermentation and allowing nutrients to be released more quickly and become available to the plants. The final step is to include banana peel, about 1 whole banana chopped into small pieces. Banana peels are well known for being rich in potassium and phosphorus, 2 minerals essential for root strengthening and flower development. These nutrients help plants stockpile energy for the winter and also increase their tolerance to lower temperatures. The peel slowly releases its nutrients into the soil, offering long-term support. At the same time, it attracts beneficial microorganisms that further improve soil structure. Leave the jar or container loosely covered for 24 to 48 hours so fermentation can take place. When the process is complete, strain the liquid and dilute it with about 2 liters of water. This step ensures the solution is gentle enough for autumn plants, while still providing all the nutrients they need. Use it once a month for crops like garlic, onions, or other perennials that put energy into their roots. For plants that are still producing flowers or fruits, such as peppers or tomatoes, you can safely apply it every 2 weeks. What you get is a completely natural, inexpensive, and effective fertilizer that helps your plants stay healthy and resilient. It supports root development, enhances soil quality, and prepares everything in your garden for the colder months ahead. So, give it a try and see the results for yourself. And don't forget to share this recipe with your gardening friends and let us know how it works for you. Sending warm greetings to gardeners everywhere.